Working with money. How much is 1 rand? How many cents in a rand? Can you remember the first time your parents allowed you to buy something equals all on your own? Did you have the money ready? Did you wait for change? Chances are that you never waited for any change. Let us fast forward your life. Imagine in 20 years from today. You want to buy a house, with a pool, and a shiny new car. You may think, how am I going to do this? It all starts with buying your first lollipop. Understand the value, for example a 1.50 to pay for the lollipop. You pay R2.00. The shop owner needs to return a 0.50. We refer to this as a transaction between two people, or businesses. When we write this down, we state 1. You want a lollipop from the shop. A. You give her 1.50. B. The shop owner gives you a lollipop. So, in one transaction, 2 other smaller transactions took place. This was your first experience as a business owner. When we work with money, we need to understand it. How much is 1 rand? How many cents in a rand? What is the value of the article? How much do I need to pay for it? Do I have the money? All people in the world need to work with money. We refer to this as finances. It will help you a lot if you learn how to work with money early in your life. And to control your life and manage it successfully.